everyone, and welcome back to my channel.
And don't forget,
got a little Ulta haul.
Do that 3-4 times again, I'll testify for you. I tell that lie, I kill that, I do it. All of them around you scared to do, I'm not. Long as you're joking out here for me,
I just wanted to go into Ulta and add a few L'Oreal products to my collection. But these are the True Match. And I just wanted to pick up a few things. I've been influenced. The first one was this True Match Lumi Glotion. We're gonna try it on a little later, but that was one of the things that I ordered or I purchased. The second thing was the L'Oreal True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum for the face, because I don't really use foundation, but I love to get into complexion products to perfect my base. Blush girly, I love blush. So I picked up these two blushes. I think this one's the Subtle Sable. Yes. And then this one is the Rosy Outlook. And this is Rosy. If I can open her up. This is the Rosy one. And this is Subtle Sable. Now, as far as this is concerned, which is the Lumi Glotion, I've heard that you can, or I've seen that you can mix the two of them together. I don't know if I would want to do that, but you can mix the two of these. From what I would probably wear them separately, though. I probably would not wear them together. But while we're at it, let's try it out. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury water cream on my face, because I will be ending, once I finish, I will put on a little bit of my Sephora micro smooth powder, because we just can't do a look without that. Like, we just cannot do a look without it.
y'all, this water cream is so amazing. I can't even tell you in words. Just look at the moisturization and the hydration of the skin. It's expensive. It is extremely pricey. I was very skeptical on repurchasing it again for the larger size, but I just may. And I mean, look at that. Like, it literally lasts all day. All day like that, glistening. Y'all, I did not expect for this product to have the coverage that it has. It really was a pleasant surprise. I know that my skin is clear. However, I do have some discoloration in areas. And I usually like to put on makeup so that I have an even canvas when I apply lip gloss or lipstick. And, of course, to be able to rock my blushes. But I was really surprised with this. I mean, the product, this was only $16.99, y'all. $16.99.
But do you see how nice this looks? What's the point of paying what is the point in paying, what is it about? I think it was like $30 some odd. I'm gonna look it up. When you can just go into Ulta or the local drugstore and come out like this for like $16. Who needs to put the skin tint on top of it? If you have really nice skin, if you take care of your skin, you know, it's flawless. Like,
The Anastasia brow gel is really good. I think it's a little better than the NYX. However, I want to try my eyebrows to be laminated to my forehead like everybody else, okay? This product, or the NYX one, does not give you that. So I'm going to try that e.l.f. gel and see if that does the trick. This one, my brows do stay up for the most part, and they don't curl down as quickly or as much as the NYX product, but there is still a little curl down. But I kind of want them to be as natural as possible, but just a little bit more oomph. Just a little bit. Because I like a soft glam natural beat. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
L'Oreal, send me some more. I'm in color Deep Glow 904. I think I'm going to be wearing it all summer long. All summer long.
Next, I'm applying my Say bronzer. Listen, I'm just now purchasing. I purchased this at the Sephora sale. Prior to the Sephora sale, I did not own this bronzer. So I really didn't know what was too much, what was too little. I didn't know. You gotta be careful with it. It is very pigmented. It does melt away into your skin though, but it is very, very pigmented. Trust me, you'll get your money's worth out of it. So with this particular time, I tried to just tap it into the product, so I didn't come out with too much like I did, I think, was it the last video? To where I just had a whole lot of bronzer on my face. I didn't want that to happen again this time. So I probably went a little too low, but that's okay. It's better than going overboard with it. I'll take that. Next, we are on to blushes. Your girl loves blush. Woo! And I really like a muted blush. I like blush to where it's like not overly vibrant, to where, you know, I like it kind of muted. I like it a little bit of nude. Just a flush of color. You could find a flush of color on the face, and that's good enough. I don't like bright, bold colors on my cheeks. It's just not me. You have to take that off, because what were we doing with that exactly? And don't come from my mirror. She's been through a lot. She's been through a lot. I might get a new one, but when you have kids and teenagers, stuff ends up looking like that. See, I couldn't really see it, but I don't know. I was just like, what just happened? I don't see it. And I don't know. This is a darker type of product on my face, so maybe that was it. But maybe I'm just too dark for the product. I don't know. I figured I'd keep it though, because I wanted to see. But I couldn't see. Ray Charles can't see that. No, it's not working. But I still went on with the program because I was like, well, I still look good though. So hey, let's just keep moving. So this next product I'm applying, it is the Charlotte Tilbury concealer. It has hyaluronic acid in it, and it is for people that have dry skin, dry under eyes. Absolute greatness. The only thing I don't like about it, I pulled it out of the I don't know, it looks like it's missing some product. I don't know. I don't want to say that, but it's a very good product though. Normally I get a lot of creasing under my eye, but this didn't crease. This really held up for a long time, and it did not crease. It was very moisturizing. Like I said, I have dry skin and dry under eyes, but this was probably the first one, other than the Tarte Ultra Creamy Concealer. This is probably one of the first ones that was just as good as that one. The takeaway from this part is going to be, my friends, do not, I repeat, do not buy LA Girl Pro Concealer lip pencils. Listen, I have purchased MAC lip pencils, Morphe lip pencils. Like, Morphe, really, please bring your lip pencils back. Like, oh, please bring them back. Like, we are begging you to please bring those pencils back. But I've had NYX, and I've had Went Wild. But LA Girl Pro Concealer, Jesus. LA Girl lip pencils fade off your lips just from daily use. Like, there was the only wine colored lip pencil that I had. I need to go ahead and try to find another one, probably a MAC one, or maybe maybe a NYX or something. But this was the only wine colored one I had. So I just went on ahead and used it. But y'all, let me tell you, this was like wore off my lips. I didn't eat anything. I didn't drink anything. Just from having it on, the air took it out. And then, I had to bring out my girl Fuschia Flex from Fenty. She is thebomb.com. Woohoo! She was worth every penny. Girl, I didn't even spend that much on her. I got her. Fenty had a family and friends sale literally like days before the Sephora sale. And I think I got it for like 40% off. It was something high. I only paid like $11 for it, if I'm not mistaken, from Fenty. So I was definitely not buying that from Sephora. Nope. But no, when it comes to the lip pencils, like, I need to get my life together with that one, because I was highly disturbed that that pencil was just fading off my lips as the day went on. Now, this particular mascara I have been rocking with sis since she went viral. Okay? Listen, she's everything they said she is. I'll tell you that. Everything they said she was, she is, okay? Now, I do have a high-end mascara, which is better than Sex. Do I think this one is better than Sex by Too Faced? Yes. I just don't think that you need to go and pay $40 for mascara, guys. The drugstore has really, really good mascara. And this is just one of them. I think there's quite a few others that are good. But no, you don't have to go pay like an absorbent amount of money for some mascara. Like, this one is really good. This one transformed my eyes literally within a few strokes. I didn't have to keep applying it. It did its job rather quickly. And I believe this, I think I had a coupon, or it was buy one, get one off half, somewhere around there. It was a BOGO with a coupon attached to it. So this was really, really inexpensive. I did not pay a lot of money for it, but it is a very, very good and quality product. Look at that. Oh, girl. Can't tell me nothing. Now, listen, this Sephora Micro Smooth powder, listen, if you do not have that in your collection, whenever you find the time, go find your color and put it in your collection, in your makeup stash, in your caboodle, whatever, your makeup, what they call those things you go fishing, your tack box, whatever you want to do, okay? But make sure you get it. It is an expensive product, but baby, she is worth it, okay? When I tell you it will blur your skin, oh, please. Most days, I'm not even going to sit here and hold you, I don't have to put a whole lot on my face, but baby, for every day, even when I don't do a full face, I blow the eye. I'll put that powder on it. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Put that powder on it. Spray it down. Looks just nicely. Looks nice. Yeah, I had to go back in with this blush, a blush, because I was like, I can't see no blush. What is going on? So I had to go back in, you know. Look at me, I'm just confused. I'm just trying to figure out listen. I'm like, man, I see it looks like it's powdering, but y'all, I was like, okay, I guess that's it. Like, that's just the way it's gonna look. So, okay. It gave me a little bit more pink, but that's about it. So, yeah. I'm gonna try those e.l.f. blushes. I'm trying to avoid paying $40, $50 for some blush at a Sephora. But, you know, or even for MAC. But I don't know. I'm cute, y'all. Look at me. I'm cute. I think this is cute. But this is what you call just, you know, when you want to stay as close to natural as possible and you don't want to really go overboard with the makeup, this is what you do. You know, this is how you achieve that look and you still look cute as hell, you know? Hey! I want to thank you all for tuning in and watching my video this week. It means more to me than you know. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. And I'll see you next week.